MrsDale2015. Happy Earth Day. Tell a friend what you can do to help the Earth. Please get a whiteboard to solve the problem. Ladies, do you think you can read this problem for us first?
Yes.
All right, ladies, here we go. Ready? There were 9 frogs on a log. 5 hopped away. How many frogs are on the log? Are we finished? We finished? Uh-oh. What do we need to do? Read it again. Let's read it 2 times. Gentlemen, can you look up here? Let's read it. Ready, gentlemen? Here we go. There were 9. I don't have a subtraction sign. I did. Look, 9 frogs. What else, Philip? I know you know it.
How many?
How many? Great. Connor, what else?
On the log.
Well, does it matter if they're on a log or on a lily pad? Nah, they could be wherever. You're right. But I got 9 frogs and I got how many? What? Say it louder.
5 hops.
Why would you highlight 5 hopped away? Who knows why I would highlight that? Matt? Could you say that louder?
So you can take it away.
Thumbs up if you agree with him that they're taking away. Yeah. Away means I'm getting rid of. The number's going to get smaller. Raise your hand if you drew a picture. Ooh. Hands down. Raise your hand if you drew an equation. You drew an equation? Awesome. Hands down. Try to get that up so you have to see it a little bit better. Who can come up and draw the picture for us? Olivia, come on up. Megan, why is she using circles? I said frogs. Why is she using circles?
So it's quicker. She used circles because so it's quicker.
Excellent. We have time to do circles. I don't have time to draw sweet, cute little greeny froggies everywhere, do I? No. How many circles did you draw?
9.
Why did you draw 9 circles?
I drew 9 circles because on the chart it said there are 9 circles and there are cross out 5.
What? Callie, do you agree with her? She says cross out 5. Why do you agree with her?
Because I agree with her because it said there were 9 frogs and the frogs and 5 hopped away.
Does that mean that there's more? We're putting more together, or we're getting rid of some? We're getting rid of some. You can cross those out. Kenneth, did she cross out 5?
Yes.
Do you agree with her crossing out 5?
Yes.
Why do you agree with her? How many are left page? our left. Do you guys agree with Paige?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm going to write the equation 9 frogs take away 5 that hopped away equals how many frogs?
4.
4 frogs. What's the answer to a subtraction problem called?
A difference.
Very good. It's called the what?
The difference.
Good job. Erase your boards, please.
Because if you go down one on the 10th chart, you go down one, and it's a 2. And then 32 more.
Do you guys see how he's already thinking of the number chart?
2 times it.
Can you kiss your brain for me? Because you're already thinking of the tens chart, or the number chart. That's awesome. That's good thinking. Dante, is it going to be A or B in the pattern?
A.
Why do you think it's going to be A? There you go. Awesome. Alex, what is today? The day. Excellent. If today is Wednesday, Kenneth, what was yesterday? Good. And if today is Wednesday, Lily B, what is tomorrow going to be? I love how you looked up here. I saw your mouth moving. I saw it. Yes, ma'am. It's Earth Day. So maybe later. Somebody could draw a little picture of an Earth.
Should I do it?
Not right now. I said maybe later somebody could do that. Hey, Philip, can you choose a different spot for me? You are kind of hiding behind his chair. Okay? Yeah, maybe we could do that. That sounds like a good plan. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015. Today is Thursday, May 22nd, 2015.
You said it slow, so we heard you.
But I thought for sure I was going to trick you today, but I did not.
I know a way that you can trick us. Always teach us good.
Bennett, what should I put here? Because it's not the 21st day anymore. I gotta change the date. What am I gonna put here, Bennett? He's already paying attention to the calendar. Nolan, what am I gonna put up here? If I put 22 over here, what am I gonna put here?
20.
The day changed. 22. You got it.
22.
21 to 22. How would you read this number?
120.
Oh, I heard somebody say 123. Look at our tens.
153.
53. Oh man, and we're losing it. We're losing it. The staples are coming out. I'm going to add a 1, Ethan. What does this change the ones to? If I had 3 ones.
4.
Good job. Now maybe today, or I don't know, next week I'll find a 4. Every day I rearrange this, and every day somebody rearranges it for me. What'd you say? Thank you for pointing that out. That means that you have 2 days in the week, and then there's the lump in the middle, and then there's 2 days at the end of the week. So this is the lump in the middle, Wednesday. That's why I say like a camel's hump day.
I'd rather have videos of hump day.
Valerie, can you tell me, it is, Joey, have a seat, please. Tell me when to stop, Valerie.
Stop.
45. Are you ready? We're going to count by tens from 45. Can I look at this chart?
Yes.
Absolutely. This is what it's there. It's a resource. Ready? 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, good, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195.
200.
Oh, I heard 205. Stop. All over again. We go whoop, right up. Philip?
I guess another way
45, but you're right. This whole row has 5 in the ones place. You're correct. Hey, Nolan, can you sit in that chair safely? Thanks, because I do not want you to fall. Yes, ma'am.
One time I rode a piano.
Fun. I need the ladies to go back to their seats and put 22 in the middle of their board. Gentlemen, can you go back to your seats and put 22 in the middle of your board?
Yes.
Here, walk and talk, walk and talk.
Yesterday.
Uh-huh. Got it? Awesome. How can you guys lose a marker from like 5 minutes? I think there's a marker, a troll in here, and there's an eraser troll in here that eats everything. I'm convinced of it. Convinced. I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I think there's like a troll or something that eats everything. I hope not.
It actually is me. Not my marker.
Drew, why did we write 22 in the middle of our board?
Your eraser is right there. Because.
Can you start without me, Cuz? Listen, be good listeners.
We wrote 22 because usually we do the day just like always.
And what's the date today? What's the number of today?
22.
Bingo, 22.
Thursday.
Paige, what's 1 more than 22?
32.
That's 10 more. Wow. Your brain's already thinking in tens? Wow. You want to write that below? Okay, she already told us what's 10 more. Let's write 32 underneath it. She was already thinking ahead. Why is it 32? Who can tell me why it's 32? Why is 10 more than 22 32, William?
Because when you go down the space on the number start from 22, it says 32 because it's a pattern
What's the pattern?
that, like, and then if you had 10 more, it's 12, and then if you had 10 more, it's 20. If you had 10 more, it's 30.
Absolutely. Did you see what he's talking about, the pattern in the tens? Joey, can you please put 22 in the middle? Paige told us what 10 more than 22 was. And when I said 1 more, Philip, what's 1 more than 22?
22.
Just 1 more. Just 1 more. 1 more. What's 1 more than 22? If I count on 1 more.
So we're at 22. Then we go to 32.
That's 10 more. I want to know just 1 more. What's 1 more? Oh, your brains are so used to talking about tens, you can't remember how to add 1? Oh, wow. Okay.
23. I got one. This is what I did. I did 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 100.
So what were you adding by?
10.
You were counting by tens. Is Philip correct?
Yes.
He is correct. Can you flip those two too? Kenneth, what's 1 more than 22? I just want to know 1 more. Can you stop coloring these?
32.
No, 32 is 10 more. Olivia?
23.
23. Let's add 23 next to 22. That's just 1 more. You guys are so used to thinking about tens. We forgot. What's 1 less, Meghana? What's 1 less?
2.
What's 1 less than 22? I'm going to go back 1 space.
12.
No? I wouldn't count 12, 22, 23. What's 1 before 22? 1 less.
I know.
Well, let's give her some think time. I know what she's doing. Of course. She's going to go take a peek at the chart. Of course. What's 1 less than 22? What comes before 22? I know what you're thinking. I knew she knew the digits. She just had them in the wrong order. 21 comes 1 before 22. 21. Yep, 21. Add 21 before 22. That's what comes next. Got it, Nolan? Drew, what is 10 less than 22? Hey, watch me. Oh, I know, he's going, he's gone. 10 less than 22. Of course. Guys, if we're holding on or leaving our things and practicing self-control, we won't drop those all the time.
12.
Oh, so this is where we want to put 12. Drew, why do you think 12 is 10 less than 22?
Because if you add 10 more, it makes 12.
Actually, or when we go up, we're not adding, we're doing what?
Subtract.
There you go. Look up here, please. Use your eyes and look up here. If I look at the tens place, look. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Look at the ones place. What happens? 2, 2, 2. Stays the same, doesn't it? That's what happens with our... Thanks to those people who are doing that right away. Oh my goodness, I think somebody's going to need a sticker because they are writing the numbers right away. Just do 0 through 10. We'll do a quick round.
And then we'll play you versus me.
Around like a candy cane, straight like a shoe. That's the way to make 2. Now 3 is going to go around the tree, around the tree, around the tree. Good. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. Good job, Nolan. Yes, sir.
It's kind of like, so we're making an icing and then if you turn it like a diamond, it's X. So first
Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what are you talking about? Okay. The plus sign? Is that what you're talking about? On my board. Erase the smallest number on your board. Thanks to those people who are doing that without talking. That way everyone can hear. Erase the difference between 5 and 3. 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3. What's the difference?
Don't turn it out, please. Make it Shout out.
shouting out. If your voices are off, we won't have a problem. Josie just had a birthday. Do you know how old she turned?
Yeah.
5. Erase Josie's age. Bennett. Erase the sum 4 plus 4. If you're talking, you will not hear and you won't get the mystery number. Erase the number that is 1 less than 10. Erase the sum of 2 plus 2. You guys are going to have a hard time hearing the mystery number. Add 1 3 times. Erase the number if you add 1 3 times. Show me your board if you got it. You should have 1 number left. That last one was tricky. What happens when I add 1 3 times? 1, 1, 1. What do I get? 3. Your mystery number was 6. It was 6.
That's how old a lot of people are in this class.
Some people are. Erase your board. Oh, and did you pout and cry about it? You didn't at all. Carefully. Now remember, he's going to sit there. You know that. Ma'am?
I didn't cry about if I got 3 years.
You know what? If we're listening and paying attention, you guys cannot see. Dante and Kenneth and Connor, can you please find another spot for me? Thanks. Last week, yes, Philip is going to sit there, Miss Lily. Lily, here, there's a spot right here for you, hon. By Ethan. Thank you. If we're talking about subtraction number stories, why should we read it 2 times? Who knows why? Raise your hand if you know why I should read a problem 2 times. Dante, why should I read a problem 2 times? Thumbs up if you agree with him. Bless you. Thank you. Thumbs down. Put hands down. What's another strategy that I can use? Lily B? What's another strategy I can use if I need to?
If you need to read it 2 times.
I do.
Just in case you do the wrong thing, and just in case if it was plus and not minus.
Oh, did you hear that? What if she added? She went, wait, that doesn't make any sense. No, maybe I need to subtract. If I read it 2 times, I might catch that mistake. Connor, what's another strategy I can use if I need to?
One, if you read it 1 time, it isn't really that much time.
That is true. Reading it 2 times makes sure I totally get it.
Or you can read it. You read it 2 times, and sometimes you mess up.
And how old am I? Absolutely. I told you I mess up too. I gotta slow down. I gotta read it twice. So we know we're gonna read the problem twice. Let's move on. Let's find another strategy. When I have that subtraction word problem or a word problem at all, girls, can we save that for later?
Yeah.
Thanks. I promise. William?
I like the word.
So I can take a highlighter and go la 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 la. Okay. Tell me what you mean.
I mean, just like swipe the keywords and the numbers twice.
So I can't color all over my paper. That's not what a highlighter's for, right?
Yeah.
Lily D. What would be a key word if I'm talking about subtraction?
Half one.
Oh, that's a biggie. have left? Joey, what's another thing that's going to go ding, ding, ding? Subtraction, subtraction.
Take away.
Say it louder.
Take away.
Yeah. Take away. What else?
Give away 8.
Give away. What's another one?
8.
If I ate something, does something get bigger or does it get smaller? It gets smaller. Paige, what's another key word? It's going to tell me, take away, subtraction.
How many is left?
Yep. All of those are key words that are going to tell my brain what? Ding, 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 ding. I need to subtract. What do I need to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. Take away. Minus.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Send it away.
Eat them.
I can also draw a picture. Callie. Perfect. Here's what you're going to do today. I'll be back. Don't worry. Your problem has key numbers and keywords in it. It has school buses on the side. I do not care if you want to leave the school buses attached. I don't care if you want to cut them out and glue them below. It says what? I can solve subtraction number stories. And remember, number stories are just those math problems written with the words. Paige, what do you think I'm going to write on this line right here?
I think you're going to write the problem. Or you're going to write the difference.
Can you put your thumbs up if you think she's right? We're going to put an equation or the problem right there.
Or
We're going to find the
difference.
excellent. Good job, Joey. You are thinking subtraction.
You can also call it a difference.
You can. Absolutely.
Like the entire thing a difference.
I'm going to read the problem once to you. You're going to read it the second time. Fair?
Yes.
Okay, cool. There were 4 buses at school. All 4 drive away. How many buses are left at school? Oh my goodness. I'm not going to say anything more.
I know the answer, but I'm not going to shout.
Thank you. You are going to take this problem. You're going to get your scissors and your glue, and you're going to put this in your math journal.
It's almost like us.
Bennett, will you please? It is totally like that. Will you go get
I
the
know,
scissors and
like
glue on the table?
16.
Thank you. Honey, can you either wear that or put that away? Thanks so much. You're welcome. Here you go. You're welcome. Here you go. Bennett's going to get out the scissors and the glue stick and put them on the table. Give him a chance, okay? Thank you. You know what? I have not watched Star Wars and the Forces of Evil. Am I missing out? Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, that does not rank for teddy bears. She gave to Julia. How many teddy bears does she have left? Drew, honey, do you know where the math things are? Somebody had 4 teddy bears. She gave 2 to Olivia. How many teddy bears does she have left? Yes, Callie claimed to finish math. Okay. I am not correct. Bennett's Cullis did finish. There should be games, yes.
Miss Dale, let me close that.
Oh, can you help open it? Okay.
Yeah.
Got it? What did you guys do? Why did you know we're subtracting?
I knew it was subtraction because he said
So she gave away. Did she put them all in together. I should have told you the different sign. Sorry, I totally said the sum that I had the different. Sorry. Look at the plus sign over there on my chart. Sorry. Okay, erasure is big. We'll try that again.